Good morning students. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Rubal. I hope you all are fine. So beta 4th class, you know our 7th chapter division is going on and today we are going to start exercise 7C. Clear? Exercise 7C. In this exercise, we have to learn how we can divide a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. इस एक्सरसाइज में हम देखेंगे कि कैसे 3 डिजिट नंबर्स को हम 1 डिजिट नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 936 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. 936 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. सो फर्स्टली मेक डिवीजन साइन हियर. क्लियर? 936 is dividend, write it in inside, and 3 is divisor, so write it outside. Now start to read table of 3. 3 3s are 9. Subtract, we get 0 here. Now take next number downside. 3 downside. 3 ones are 3. Write 1 in quotient side. Again subtract, we get 0. Then take 6 downside. 3 twos are 6. 0. Now no digit is here. कोई digit हमारे पास यहाँ पे नहीं बचा. It means our sum is over. So quotient is 312 and remainder is 0. Clear? Quotient is 312, remainder is 0. Now one more part I am explaining. 616 divided by 7. 616 divided by 7. So 616 is dividend, write it inside, and 7 is divisor, write it outside. Start to read table of 7. 7 8s are 56. So we write here 7 8s are 56. 8 in quotient side. Subtract 61 and 56. We get 5 here. And next digit is 6. Take it downside. It becomes 56. जब हम 6 को नीचे लेके आएंगे बेटा ये क्या बन जाएगा 56. Now again start to read table of 7. 7 8s are 56. Again write 8 in quotient side. And here 56. Now 56 minus 56 0. So quotient here is 88 and remainder is 0. Clear beta? Now beta we are going to start exercise 7D. Same process. In this exercise we learn how we can divide a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. इस एक्सरसाइज में हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे 4-digit नंबर को 1 डिजिट से हमने डिवाइड करना. So I am taking B part from exercise. Find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Also check your answer. हमने quotient और remainder find करना है और अपने आंसर को check भी करना है. Clear बेटा? Now concentrate here. First part is 4123. It is dividend here and 3 is divisor. So write it like this way. 4123 divisor is 3. Start to read table of 3. 3 ones are 3. Subtract, we get 1 here. Next digit is 1. It becomes 11. 3 3s are 9. Write 3 in quotient side. 11 minus 9, 2. And next digit we take downside 2. It becomes 22. 3 7s are 21. Subtract, we get 1 here. And next digit is 3. Now here 3 4s are 12. Clear? 3 4s are 12. Subtract, we get 1 here. यहाँ पे अब कोई भी डिजिट हमारा बचता नहीं है. No digit is here. It means sum is over. So quotient is 1374 and remainder is 1. अब इस क्वेश्चन के साथ हमने और क्या करना है? चेक योर आंसर. अब हमने अपने आंसर को चेक करना है. So बेटे राइट हियर चेक. You all know what is the formula to do check in division. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Clear? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is divisor? Divisor is 3. 3 quotient 1374 remainder 1. Now multiply 3 with 1374. 3 को 1374 से multiply करो. You get 4122. 4122 प्लस 1, जो रिमाइंडर है हमारा 1 इसमें प्लस करो, देन यू गेट 4123, दैट इज योर डिविडेंड. Clear? Look here, dividend is 4123 and here we get the same. It means your division is right. Now second part is 4327 divided by 5. Dividend is 4327 and divisor is 5. Divide this. Start to read table of 5. 5 8s are 40. 43 minus 43 is here. Take 2 downside. 5 6s are 30. Subtract, we get 2. And next digit take downside 27. 5 5s are 27. 25. 5 5s are 25. Subtract, we get 2. अब यहाँ पे कोई digit नहीं है. It means your question is over here. So quotient is 865 and remainder is 2. Now check. Look here. Check is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Formula of check is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is divisor here? 5. So 5 into quotient 865, remainder 2. When you multiply this you get 4325. जब आप इनको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आपके पास आ जाएगा 4325 प्लस 2. नाउ ऐड 4327, दैट इज योर डिविडेंड. क्लियर बेटा? नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज. नाउ बेटा थर्ड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज डिवाइड बाय 2 एंड स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स आर इवन और ऑड. अब हमने जो गिवन नंबर्स है उनको 2 से डिवाइड करना है और बताना है कि ये नंबर्स इवन है या ऑड है. सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज 47. डिवाइड 47 बाय 2. 2 2s are 4. Subtract 0. Then take next digit. 2 3s are 6. Subtract, we get 1 here as a remainder. Because बेटा here remainder is 1, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास रिमाइंडर कितना बच गया? 1. As remainder is equal to 1, so 47 is odd number. अगर हमारे पास रिमाइंडर में कोई भी नंबर बच रहा है, इट मीन्स दैट इज इवन ऑड नंबर. क्लियर? क्योंकि रिमाइंडर हमारे पास 1 है, सो 47 इज ऑड नंबर. नाउ सेकंड पार्ट 429. डिवाइडेड अगेन बाय 2. 429. 2 2s are 4. Subtract, again take 2 downside. 2 1s are 2 0. Now take this 9 downside. 2 4s are 8. Subtract, we get 1. Again here remainder is 1. Look here properly. Again here remainder is 1, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी remainder हमारे पास 1 बचा है. As remainder is 1, so 429 is odd number. अगर हमारे पास रिमाइंडर 1 या कोई भी नंबर बच रहा है, देन दैट गिवन नंबर इज ऑड नंबर. आई एम टेकिंग वन मोर एग्जांपल. थर्ड एग्जांपल इज 526. नाउ डिवाइड दिस बाय 2. 526. 2 2s are 4. Subtract, we get 1 here. Take 2 downside, it becomes 12. 2 6s are 12. Subtract 0 and take 6 downside. 2 3s are 6. Now subtract, we get 0 here. Now look here carefully. Here remainder is 0. As remainder is equal to 0, so 526 is even number. क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 है, तो हमारा जो नंबर गिवन है 526, दैट इज इवन नंबर. अदर ऑल क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज आर सिमिलर. बेटा ट्राई देम. थैंक यू.